Hey guys, it's Christy. I'm the sales manager here at Generation Family Properties. Thanks for joining us for today's video.
Thinking about buying land? You probably are, and that's how you ended up on the channel. Welcome! Buying land is easier than you think, but only if you know these 3 quick tips. First, check the zoning and land use rules. Not every property allows you to build, camp, or put an RV on it. Call the county before you buy to double check, or give me a call and I can help you figure it out. Second, know your access. A property might look perfect on the map, but if there's no legal road or easement, you could be stuck. Most of our properties do have legal and physical access, but it's always better to check and make sure. My third quick tip for today is understand the utilities. Power, water, and septic can be deal makers or deal breakers as they impact your cost big time. All of our properties have utilities listed on the website listing in the green and white chart, so you'll know what they've got. So do your homework, ask the right questions, and buying land can be one of the best investments you'll ever make. I can't wait to help you buy a property. If you want more land buying tips, make sure to like and subscribe so you see my weekly property videos. See you guys next time. Bye.